good afternoon everyone. Welcome sa All-Star Weekend ng FCBA Blizzards. Today, we are with Coach Danilo Cruz from the Blizzards family. Coach, kamusta?
Mabuti. Salamat at nakarating kayo rito sa aming All-Star at naging part kayo ng event.
Siyempre, we're very thankful na we are part of this event, Coach. Coach, let us know more about your event and the FCBA Blizzards. Ano ba yung mga meron ngayon sa FCBA Blizzards?
Okay, so itong event ngayon is All-Star Game for Reinforcement Cup League. Reinforcement Cup has 16 teams, and then pumili kami ng dalawang team that will represent the white team and the blue team. And there will be playing against Calgary Elite team. So mga ibang lahi to, mga international team that used to play in college and university here in Canada. So magandang event to, very competitive.
Wow! Thank you very much, Coach. So nakita nyo naman, high quality teams ang maglalaro dito sa All-Star Weekend ng FCBA Blizzards Reinforced Conference. Sino ba ang sponsor natin dito, Coach?
Maraming salamat sa aming major sponsor, Mr. Alex Tumang by Remax, First Choice Remax Realty, Jason Lumanglas, J-Zone Builders, also Raptors Glass. Maraming salamat, Brother Maynard Pastor of Raptors Glass. Maraming salamat po sa suporta.
Alright, thank you very much to the sponsors of FCBA Blizzards Reinforced Conference. Once again, Coach, thank you very much for this interview. Guys, please continue supporting FCBA Blizzards Reinforced Conference. It's been Zeke from YYC Athletes. Thank you.
Thank you.